So hello guys, and everyone who's watching this. You probably know where I am and why it's so noisy. You see? You know. Put it up. I'm sure that most of you people will exactly know where I am. Anyway, so I'm here, yes, and I wanted to sit on the toilet like we usually do when we come here. And when I sit on the toilet, I notice something amazing, and that is that this part here, you see it, you see here, I noticed it was a lot of dust. So I didn't complain or something, but I clean. I just take a piece of paper, you know, from the toilet paper, put some water on it, like this, on the tap, put some water on it. And I did clean this because it was really dusty and black. And even now you can see that I still get a little bit of dust. And yes, I did clean the rest too. And I pick it up that wet paper and put it in a bin. And then, because I observe other places, I did clean that too. You know, I didn't ask something, but you can see here is still some dust because nobody probably cleaned this, so I can do that too. You know, maybe once in a while, instead that we just complain, maybe we should remember what Mr. President of the United States of America a long time ago, John F. Kennedy said. He said, we shouldn't ask what country should do for us, but we should ask what we can do for the country. So it's the sense like what we can do to make cleaner or better for other people. So I did, yes, I did take, you know, I noticed that this is dirty too. So then I did take some paper and clean that too. And like you see, some people would like to go to the toilet, so it's better if I slowly go. But I still like to clean this because this was very dirty too. And like you can see, it's a lot of that small places which you can see only when you sit on the toilet. Yes. Okay, anyway, I should go. It looks like that some people are becoming nervous. Anyway, I love you. Have a great time. And just remember, try to do something good for people. Alright.